They want to become captain, they want to become chief engineer. It is now time to change your mindset. It is now time to realign the reason why you are here today.
May we continue to move forward with courage, humility, and determination.
If you really want to achieve something in life, the first thing you must do is to set a goal and align your mindset. You need to set in your mind na that is the goal. Once you become a captain, once you become a chief engineer, all of those will follow. Walang tagumpay na dumaan sa madaling paraan. There will be a lot of struggles along the way. There will be a lot of challenges.
Life is not a race, it's a marathon. Mind your own pace, treasure every second, minutes, and hours. Even it turns into days, weeks, months, and years. It's not about who's last or finish first. Rest if you must, just don't dare to quit.
Today, we acknowledge that you have survived the first phase of your paghihirap. You will become the face of the Filipino people of the Philippines. So wherever you go, whether you decide to board an international ship or domestic ship, always carry with yourselves what you have learned in Southwestern College.
So cadets, congratulations, and you better set that goal.
Congratulations to everyone.
By the Maritime Industry Authority and the Commission on Higher Education, the AP candidates, Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation.
Set your goal, set your mind, be resilient, embrace sacrifices, and last but not the least, your unwavering discipline.
Carrying the flag of the Philippines, carrying the flag of Filipino. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas at makita ng buong mundo na napakagaling ng mga Filipino seafarers.
Every sacrifice, every tear, and every moment we felt like giving up has led us to this very moment, a moment that proves our strength, resilience, and unbreakable spirit.